is Teena, and I don't know why I made this look. I don't know. First of all, I just really wanted to play a bit with colors and with the palettes that I haven't been using, because I've been sporting a lot of very neutral makeup looks the past month or even 2 years. I don't know. I haven't played around with colors that much. I just wanted to make fun of how Filipinos start Christmas this early. It's only September, but para sa mga Pinoy, umpisa na ng mga shopping, umpisa na ng Christmas decorations, mga Christmas songs, ni Jose Marichan. I just wanted to play more with makeup in my channel more nga. So please expect to see more fun, colorful looks. If you have any suggestions, comment in down below, because I really want to play more with makeup and less vlogging. Even though that you guys want to watch more vlogs, for myself, I want to do more creative makeup. So if you want to see how I created this look, then please stay and watch the tutorial. Okay, so for the first step, I'm going to clean my face with the Maxi Peel Zero. This is just a very strong exfoliant liquid, and I really like using it on my face because it really cleans my face. And don't forget your neck. So I'm just going to remove the hair that's on my face with my very festive headband. To moisturize my face, I'm trying out this new One Organic serum, and it's pretty okay so far, so I'm just gonna keep trying it before I say more stuff about it. I'm just going to let it dry. To keep my face from oiling, or at least my T-zone, I'm using the Makeup Forever Step 1, and it just really sucks it up. Parang it really mattifies your face. For my dry cheeks naman, I'm using the Nivea Men Aftershave Balm, more to just keep the foundation on my face longer. For foundation, I'm mixing the Makeup Forever Light Velvet Cushion with the Blair CC Cream, only because the Makeup Forever is a little bit too dry, and then the Blair foundation is just too moisturizing, so I just wanted both combined. So just push this up, and you can use it as a mixing palette na rin. They said na ganun yung purpose niya. You can put moisturizers there or primer or whatever, you just mix it. But since this is my personal foundation, I'm just using my finger to mix it together and just apply it on my face with my Fenty Beauty foundation brush. I actually super duper love this foundation brush also to apply my concealer even. It really packs it on and no streaks seen after. Rule of thumb, don't forget your neck. So since I didn't know what I was gonna do first, I'm just gonna do my other eye and be right back in a bit. For my eyes, I'm using Juvia's Place palette, and this is the Magic. First color, I'm using a nude shade called Kelsey. I'm just spreading it all over the lid just to make everything blend easier. So before I start pala, I'm doing my brows first. This is the Brow Contour Pro. Using the dark shade first, I'm going to apply it on the outer tail of my brows and then blend it with a normal angled brush. And then move on to the light colored shade, which is on the same product, which is so convenient, and apply on the inner corners of my brows. Then go back to blending, and then on the same product again, we have a highlighting shade, which is basically to just clean around the brows to make everything sharper. And I'm just getting a concealer brush just to blend everything out. So for my transition shade, I'm using Nana, which is quite an orange brownish color, but more of the orangey side. I kind of want everything to be very bright. So applying it all over the lids and also on my lower lashes. So just to intensify the color more, I'm using Kogi, which is a very fiery orangey red color, and applying it lang on the inner and outer corners and blending it upwards, making a halo effect. For the center of my lids, I'm using a JCat pigment and applying a Duraline oil, ano ba yan, just to make it stick better on my lids and parang to make it liquefied kind of. So if you want to use pigments, if you want to use glitters, this is the type of parang kind of glue that you use, and also it doesn't crease on the eyes, so it's nice. So I'm blending it together para seamless. You can stop here, but I wanted to add glitters kasi nga parang Christmas balls, diba? So this is another JCat glitter. They have all the shades that you need sa mga glitters nila. So it's a one-stop wonder, JCat Beauty. So anyway, so I'm just patting it on and not swiping, more of patting because I don't want the glitters to move. And then also applying the red shade on my lower lashes just to bring down some redness on their lower lash. Ito, I just wanted to grab like a yellow shimmer shade and put it on the inner corner, which is kind of useless kasi I ended up putting glitter on top of it anyways. So, the same glitter naman. So I don't know, just playing around and seeing if it worked or not. Now, I'm just using the Ready Set Brow from Benefit just to set all my hair there so you can see it's so much better. For the brow bone, I'm using the same color that we put on the inner corner just to make it, I don't know, more festive and parang Christmas ball talaga. For eyeliner, I'm using a gel type of eyeliner because it's just so much better for glittered eyes. It covers it instead of gliding it parang out lang. And we're going to make a very long wing. Standard cat eye basically. I really like this gel liner kasi talagang it's so opaque, it's so black, and when it dries out, you can just use the Duraline liquid to melt it back and it's good as new. For mascara, the Bad Girl Bang from Benefit PH. It's awesome. You can use it as is, but definitely use falsies for this look. To open up my eyes more, I'm just putting a white eyeliner from ColourPop. I'm just using it as base because I'm going to apply the same yellow eyeshadow that we use sa inner corner and brow bone natin. Para hindi naman siya white, it's still gold. So, pinang-base ko lang yung white. To open up our eyes even more, just put mascara on your lower lashes. For the falsies, this is just a random one that I picked from an old falsies that I used, so I'm not quite sure where I got this, but I'll just put it down in the description box where it's from. Okay, so that's the eyes, and now let's just move on to the face. For concealer, I'm using ColourPop in light 16 and light 12 just to highlight the under eye and the T-zone area. I'm still undecided if I like this concealer or not, but yeah, I'm using it. It's very pigmented though, that's for sure. So I'm just gonna blend it with a small brush just to keep everything precise. I don't want it to mess the smoky eye that I created. So smaller brush, more definition. So blend, blend, blend na tayo. Blend, blend, blend 3 times a day. For my foundation, I'm using 2 shades. First is Desert Sand, which is a darker shade that color it has. I'm going to put lang the tan-ish back with the color kasi I'm too white with the foundations that I've used. And then to highlight the areas where I have concealed, I'm using the lighter version of their powders. I think this is in, I'll just put the shade here because I'm not sure. Basta it's yellow toned and I need that right now because mukha ako espasol. To put some depth around my face, I'm using this shade from Belle Hypoallergenic. This shade is really nice for contouring, like not just bronzing, to actually like deepen, you know. Maganda yung pagka-brown kasi nga it's not warm. So it's a cool shade of brown and it really will sink in the cheekbones, the jawline, and everything else with the nose line. It's a good nose line shade also. And it's hypoallergenic, so I really, really love this brand and this specific product that they have. So if you want a more in-depth tutorial of how I contour my face, I will link it down below. This is Chihuahua Cosmetics in Salmon Blush. It's a very faint cheek shade. It's not too strong. So it's perfect kasi sobrang pula na po ng mata ko. So I'm just opting for a salmon shade. For highlight, one of the best highlights that we have is the JCat Beauty Highlighters. This is in White Goddess. And it's super duper putok. It's light, but it has a yellowish reflex, yung parang glitter nga. It's not really glittered, pero the highlight of it is yellowish. So it's perfect for the look. So just a normal place to highlight cheeks, nose, and Cupid's bow. Now moving on to the lips, I'm going to mix these 2 shades, yellow and blue, to create a green color. This is a palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, but JCat Beauty has this for a much cheaper price, and it's basically the same quality. It's long lasting, even if it has creative colors. It's pretty matte and it lasts really long. So I really love this palette. If you're a makeup artist, it's a must-have. So I created this shade, not too green, pero parang, you know, parang medyo dark green siya, na navy na, I don't know how to explain greens. So I'm gonna pop like a shimmery bright green right in the middle. So when I was doing this, it kind of looks like a envy green or like a snake green to me. So I decided that I kind of wanted to put glitters on top, which I am using the same glitters that we've been using since a while ago, just to make it festive and not too snaky. And then here we go. We have my, I don't know, Christmas look, very literal. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Obviously this is not a wearable makeup look, but I just really wanted to play with glitters and some colors. So yeah, pretty much. I hope you did enjoy this though. I want to create more makeup looks for my channel and less on vlogging because I want to get back in touch with my creative side. So I think this is a good start. It's quite fun to do, and bare months na guys. Eto na yon. Mag-uumpisa na, and also maybe I can do more for Halloween. So I don't know. I was just really bored and I really wanted to play around with makeup. So yeah. If you enjoyed this look, then please like, comment, and subscribe. And pass this on to people who you know would enjoy this look, I guess. Maybe. I don't know. Who knows? Kikay of the day is right here. Congratulations. You are the Kikay of the day. I love you so much. If you want to be the next video shout out, just comment down below. Hashtag Kikay of the day. Please don't forget to click the post notification button to see more of my videos. And that is it. With all that said, I want you guys to never forget that you are beautiful. Ting-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling. Sorry. Bye! God bless!
Whenever I see people giving gifts, exchanging cards, I believe that Christmas is truly in our hearts. A bright tomorrow in the night. Let's sing Merry Christmas and a Happy Holiday. This season may we never forget the love we have for Jesus.
By the way, I just wanted to add that if you actually use a red lipstick, it's quite wearable. Actually super nice. This is a red lipstick from Ofra in Milan. It was just sent to me. It's quite amazing. Actually, ganda ng red.